Cal Terzi and Pirelli. Location, Rambla de la Pau. On the right, we will see the space known as Hort and Gibrals, or Gibral's vegetable garden. Gibrals was the merchant Pau Soler's nickname. Here, Pirelli and Company, the Italian electrical cable manufacturer, was established in 1901. The factory's startup in 1902 was an indication of the change of leadership in the local economy. Foreign capital took over from the local bourgeoisie, who had previously wielded power in the second half of the 19th century, but was now affected by the turn of the century changes, the sad years. The factory underwent different phases of expansion. In 1917, the firm Productos Pirelli S.A. was established as a national subsidiary of the Italian group. For over a century, the steady growth of those facilities characterized the architecture of the lower end of the town, down to the sea, until the factory moved to the city outskirts in 2004. Over time, it grew to be the largest and most emblematic company in the city. The factory was partially destroyed during the Civil War. It was bombed several times and blown up on the last day of the war by the retreating Republican troops. Its reconstruction in the 40s involved the building of large multi-level structures with great windows, alongside standard concrete warehouses with sawtooth roofs. The overall result was that of a large, well-lit spaces, simple archery in style, in keeping with the design of the large factories of the period. Right across from the factory is the impressive building known as Cal Terzi, that today houses the La Pau School. It was built in 1919 in the turn-of-the-century style known as Noucentista, by the local architect Josep Font i Gomà, who had also designed the factory project. It was originally meant to be the residence for the Pirelli company managers and technicians, and so it was named after one of the early directors, Mr. Carlos Terzi.